Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to sell a PDF on Gumroad. Now the first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and create a Gumroad account, and then you need to make sure that you have added in your payment details or your payout information for you to be able to publish your PDF. Now we're gonna go into products right here. Now, once that you are in the product section, you can go ahead and create a new product right here by clicking new product on the top right. And now we're going to go ahead and create the name of the product. So say, for example, I'm just going to create one called My PDF. Now we can go ahead and choose the type of product that we want. So this can be a digital product. So this can be any set of files to download or stream. There's course tutorials, ebook membership, and bundle as well. Since the PDF is kind of like an ebook, so we can go ahead and click on this instead. Now we can go ahead and add in the price that we want. So say, for example, I'm going to add in $3.99 for the price of the PDF I'm adding. If you want to go ahead and change the currency type, you can just go ahead and click on this, and these would be the available currencies right now. Now go ahead and click on customize right here. So this is where we're going to add in all the information about the product itself. This is usually what the customers or clients will see before actually buying the product itself. So you need to add in, the description of the product. What is the product about? Just go ahead and make sure to add this in. In the URL section, there is the actual link to the product itself. If you want to add in an extra additional / at the end, you can go ahead and change that as well. So this is entirely to your account, and then this is, say, for example, like a folder or some just way to uniquely identify this product itself. You can go ahead and add this in if you want. There is the cover section. So this is basically what this preview is showing right here, which is this horizontal image right here. So you can go ahead and upload it right there. The thumbnail is where your image or your product will be shown in the Gumroad library, in the discover and profile pages as well. Now a few things you can add in, like product info, so call to action. This can be either I want this, buy this, or pay. Summary, additional details, a few integrations that you want as well. And if you wanted to change the pricing, you can go ahead and do so. If you want your customers to pay for what they want, you can also toggle this in if you want. And there is the chance to pay for the customers to pay in installments as well. Say, for example, there are different versions that you want. So say, for example, you're creating a PDF with loads of information. There is one that is, tailored for advanced, or some that are beginners or something like that. You can add in the versions right here. A few more settings you can add in here as well. But once that you are happy, you can go ahead and click save and continue. Now for the actual content, so this is where you can go ahead and add in all of your information. So if it is a PDF or some sort, you can go ahead and upload it in here by clicking on this right here where it says upload files, and then just go ahead and choose the PDF that you want. Then it should be shown right here. And then once that you're happy, go ahead and publish and continue. Now again, as I've mentioned, you need to make sure that your payment method is all set in here before you can go ahead and publish this. But once that you're happy and have clicked published, then your PDF is available for sale. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.